Stop. With your feet on the air, your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it. Yeah. Your head will collapse if there's nothing in it, and you'll ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Way out in the waters, it's swimming. I was swimming in the Caribbean. Animals were hiding behind the rock, except for little fish. But they told me Swift's trying to toss to me, so I went, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Q4 earnings is today, baby. Thank y'all so much for being here during my lunch break. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be here for most of the time, which sucks because I work today, but it's all good because we get in that paper. And first things first, before I get started with the yapping, nothing I say is financial advice. This is my stream. This is Dynamite_41. This is Team 51. This is GameStop. You already know what it is whenever you're here. And if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, if you're lurking around because it's earnings day and people usually lurk around on earnings day and talk all the mess in the chats, what's up to you? Thank you for being here today on this lovely, beautiful Tuesday on March the 24th, baby, of 2026. And quarter four earnings is going to be reported today along with the fiscal year of 2025. We're super excited pretty much after the market closes today. So that's going to be in about 1 hour and 21 minutes or so. Currently 1:39 where I'm at Central Time, baby. You already know what it is. But anyways, just here, just chatting, just yapping. for a little bit, not too long. You know, I had to throw the GameStop shirt on. You know, I had to make sure I got my shit ready to go as far as my energy, because I've been working like crazy today. It has been nonstop for me. So here I am. I had to make a last minute thumbnail. I just copied and pasted something off of Reddit, but you know, we're here. We're super excited. We got that big Q4 energy today, baby. And I see that everyone's in the chat right now. Michael Venuti, LFG, 51st Elite Platoon, GME Division reporting for duty. Michael Venuti, thank you so much for being here as always. Negative Banana, what's up, broski? Everyone is in here. It is Happy Earnings Day, Team 51. And you know what's crazy? I've been so busy today. Like, I have not had a chance to look at the phone at all, like as far as checking the stock price. Just because, you know, out of curiosity throughout the workday, when I have some downtime, I do tend to check the price of the stock. But that was not the case today. It has been non-stop. I checked it a little before the stream. We're like right at $23 or just under it. Don't really care. We'll see what happens with the announcements. Tell us after hours today, of course. So we're going to get all that gas, all that information, all that good stuff, baby. I wish I could be here to report it live, but obligations, you know. But it's okay, because these obligations help me pay for GameStop shares, which, by the way, bought one today actually, no, I didn't. That was yesterday. I need to buy one today. You know what? We're going to do that right now. Let's get on Fidelity. So, yeah, let me look through the rest of this chat real quick. Good day, Dynamite. Hey, good day indeed, Aaron. Thank you so much for being here. What about non-51 people? Happy day for me. Hey, cheers to all the non-51 people in this chat, yo. Real stuff. Let me actually put the price up really quick on the board to make sure I could see how much to put into my Fidelity account, because, you know, haven't bought anything today. I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Let's see, 23. I'm just going to put 23 since I got 9 cents in there. It's what I could do. It's the best I could do, you know. I'm doing with what I can. I got a whole lot of obligations. I'm over here trying to pass my real estate exam. I probably won't have an income for 2 months after I put a 2 weeks notice in for my job and then leave completely. So yeah, but it's all good, because at the end of the day, we know how to figure stuff out. And when I get put in situations where I have to figure it out and adapt, prevailing is what we do, baby. And that is what GameStop is all about. Because we prevailed from losing so much money every year. We prevailed from being a dying business. We prevailed from all of that. But they still spread the stories like it is the next Radio Shack, Blockbuster, the next dying company that won't ever see the light of day again. But we're going to keep on pushing. Let's go ahead and buy a share really quick. I hope y'all bought a share today too. I'm definitely going to get me one right now. Let me continue getting through the chat really quick. Let's see. Yep, Swish is in the house. Let's get it. Shout out to Swish. He's here. Let's type that one share in here real quick and then get that bot. That buy order going to be coming in real hot soon. There we go. Order filled. Let's go, baby. I put a market order in, and I got it for $22.97. You know, I love that price right there. But yeah, like Negative Banana said, we're going to crush it. We're going to kill it. Bought 6 more shares today to make a total of 1,200 shares. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Damn, that's a lot, bro. Let's go. 1,200 is crazy, bro. I love that. I hope we get some info, because I'm curious. Either way, we looking good. Yeah, we looking good. And, you know, I'm also curious too. I really don't have too many questions as far as, like, you know, whatever. If we have to wait another quarter, another year for other stuff, you know, I'm going to be here still holding. And I'm going to still be buying GameStop. And a lot of stuff is going to happen within that time in my personal life while I'm waiting on GameStop to pop off, basically. So it's chill, dog. It's chill. And I'm in this for a long time, too, because in Ryan Cohen, I trust, truthfully. Just because, I mean, he's legit, bro. He's legit. He ain't no Adam Aaron. He ain't no Adam Aaron, is what I'm really trying to say. Because Adam Aaron is a straight snake. Straight up snake. I hope we get some, already read that. Let's go. Happy day to all. Yep. Yes, sir. Let's go. GameStop. Shout out to Shotgun. Thank you so much for, or Shogun. Thank you for being in here. I finally figured out how to change my YouTube handle name so you don't have to read my last name, Dan White. You butchered it last time. I know, bro. My bad. My bad. I really do be butchering names, but also like some names I really do be like on point with it. But you know, I get it. We're gonna crush it. I feel it. FY 27 or 28, we will break 1 billion in profit for the year. It's coming. Ooh yeah, we're definitely gonna break 1 billion in profit for the year. 1 billion plus. As far as like what we're gonna net, I'm sure like Bitcoin going down in value is probably gonna do a little damage, but regardless, I still feel like we're gonna have a high income to the point where that really truly doesn't affect us that badly. But we'll see what's up. I'm just kind of speculating. This is coming from a dude that normalizes in leasing apartments to people. So if you think I'm a financial advisor or a finance guy, or if you think like, you know, whatever, take it with a grain of salt. But Team 51 knows what's up. And that's how I'm going to put it. Do you think Roaring Kitty is coming back one day? Who knows if Roaring Kitty's coming back one day. If he's going to continue to be in the shadows and avoid any kind of stuff that could basically criminalize him and get him basically sent to court, you know, maybe he's probably going to be in the dark forever because maybe he just doesn't want to take that risk. Or he's probably going to wait a couple years down the road, or I really don't know. Wonder what he's up to nowadays. I'm sure out of the limelight, that's definitely an obvious one. Got to go. Have a great day, everyone. Hey, shout out to you for being here, Benania. I appreciate you being here as always, man. But have a good day yourself. I bought 10 sharks today. 10 short shares today. I know what you meant. Good shit, Shogun. We love that. I wish I could have had money for 10 shares today, but I could only afford one. But it's okay. It is all right because we've been doing this for a couple of years now. So that's just accumulation. And that's been the strategy for me for the past couple of years as far as like me investing into GameStop goes. And I also have a credit card with SoFi. They also give me points on my credit card. And those points allow me to transfer it or to convert those points over to buying power in the stock market. So I obviously don't travel very much. I'm always grinding. I'm always working. So hey, let's go ahead and turn those points into buying power in the stock market. And let's go ahead and buy the most undervalued company in the stock market right now. Anyone want to take a guess? I'll give you a hint. I'm streaming about it. 1,230 shares here, bro. Let's go, bro. Shogun, hey, Shogun got that bread, man. I love that. We love to see it. And that number's only going to continue going up, Shogun. It's going to be awesome. Stay Happy is reporting for attendance. Thank you so much for being here. Peter is here as well, too. Shout out to you. Thank you for being here. And I'm also ready for the roller coaster. I'm ready for what is going to happen. I'm ready for us to dip. I'm ready for us to go down to the ground. I know people don't like hearing that. But I'm also ready for us to go to the moon. Because, hey, up and to the right, right? I've never heard of to the left. I think it's crazy that Tetron even said that. I was watching Marantz's streams and he always mentions that. That shit cracks me up. But yeah, I'm ready for the roller coaster. Whether it goes up, whether it goes down, you know, it is what it is. Historically, GameStop typically likes to go down after earnings announcements. So I'm anticipating some nonsense like that. I'm not trying to be negative. That's just like from what I experienced, unfortunately. But we ain't here to day trade. We ain't here to swing trade. We're not here to buy options. We're here to invest in a company that is very undervalued. So if you're looking at it from that perspective, and then you see the price dip after hours, once we get the earnings announced and once GameStop beats EPS for the 7th quarter in a row, then yeah, that's probably going to piss people off. But if you look at it as an investor, you got to think of it as a discount on the prices of the stock that is going to grow so much in value. You know that they're making all this money. You know that there's no private equity involved. You know that Ryan Cohen doesn't take a freaking salary. You also know that there's a reason behind them closing all of these stores. They're burning through too much cash, and it's starting to show on the balance sheet because the income is getting increasingly higher. The income margins are getting higher. So, I don't know. People want to talk about GameStop like it's the worst investment ever. I don't know why, truthfully, but it's okay. It's okay. Because it's Q4 earnings. And we're going to fucking kill it. Thanks for the stream, Dynamite. Always look forward to yours and Morant streams. Keep doing what you do, broski. Hey, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you a lot, Aaron. You know I'm trying to do my thing. I'm trying to make sure that I can provide enough value to y'all, even if it means me just shooting the shit with y'all and not really like talking about fundamental stuff as deeply or as vividly as other YouTubers may. I still appreciate y'all for supporting me here. And we're GameStop, bro. We're GameStop, bro. I love it, man. Keep on keeping on. We're going to keep on doing it. I appreciate it, Aaron. And then Dope Cho is in the chat, too. Hey, we're going up and to the right. Woo! Let's go. Are you expecting any bigger news today or just a regular report? Let's go, GME. Good question. Runner Warwick? I might have butchered that too, and I do apologize. But as far as that goes, I think it's just going to be like the normal report. Maybe they might have acquired Corsair. I don't know. There's like the rumor about the Corsair, talks of that. Who knows? I haven't really done too much diving into it. Nowadays, I'm working on my real estate license, so that's been taking up a lot of my time. So I do need to definitely look into that and kind of see what that is. But I think, in my opinion, it's probably going to be a regular report. We're going to beat Wall Street earnings expectations. And for whatever reason, I feel like the price is going to go down. Oh, my phone just fell. But after that price dips, you better watch out for that slow rip. I'm telling you right now. That rip is gonna rip shorts apart, and I'm here for it, baby. And also, private equity short people or shorts that haven't covered. Hi, my name is Dynamite_41. I might be some nice guy to you that doesn't really know much, but I'm also probably one of your worst nightmares. So hey, but yeah. Some hidden secret in the Power Pack earnings. I'm actually like intrigued by that. I'm really like curious about the Power Packs. I will say stay happy. Power Packs is definitely something of interest or something that sparks curiosity for sure. So I'm looking forward to all the announcements. I wish I could be here to stream it for y'all, but unfortunately I do have to go back to work soon. But it's cool, you know. It's good to have a job. It's good to have a steady income, and you know, we could use that money to buy GameStop. Not a financial advisor, but that's what I do with my own money. You do with your money what you feel is safe. Give it to me, baby. Did you order Code Red? Did you order Code Red? Code Red. Did I order Code Red? Am I missing something? Am I really under a rock? What does that mean? Did I order Code Red? I need more deets. So good. Did you order Code Red? I'm stuck. But it's all good. Let's go to the chart real quick, actually. So I got the ugly little Robin Hood chart, $22.99 for GameStop. It looks like they're trying to keep this thing under $23. That's what it seems like, at least. On my Webull chart, so it looks like it looks pretty bad, honestly. I think I'm gonna wait till this right here, this week ends. Cause I don't know, man. I really should I just move it? I think I'm gonna adjust it. I'm gonna do it right here on the stream with y'all. We're gonna go ahead and do this. And yes, I did just update this wedge. Everybody that has been watching me for a while, I have updated this wedge for the first time in months. So currently doing this on my quarter four earnings stream for 2025, airing in the year of 2026. All right, so I have recently updated the wedge, everybody. So this is what I've got going on right here. So it looks like we bounced real cleanly off of this support line of $20.07 is so strong. It's insane, actually. if the market just decides to tank and like everything just goes south overall, that's the only time that I could see GameStop going under $20. I personally don't see it going under $20 because of anything else. Short it all you want, let them short, like Ryan Cohen said, because yeah, there's so much upward pressure for this stock. They're trying to keep it down so bad. It's like you know when you have an inflatable ball and you try to push it down in the water in the pool, but it just keeps going up. I swear, like, how many short sellers do they have pushing this ball down? Because it's a matter of time before this water pressure just shoots it up to the sky. I don't know. How much shares do you hold? Oh, how much shares do I hold? Oh, you must be wanting to look at it. Okay. I got you, man. I got you. Since we're on the stream today, I'll go ahead and pull up my Fidelity account right now. I got you, Shogun. I was like code red. I was confused at first, but I got you, bro. Let me show you my portfolio right now. Positions. Okay, let's pull this over here. Okay, so my GameStop investment right here. Let me make sure y'all can see it on the screen. All right, so my GameStop investment right here. Boom. Looks like I got 3,399 shares at this moment, and I almost want to freaking buy one more share right now just to even it up to 3,400. Should I do it, chat? My ADHD is really wanting me to do it, and I think I'm gonna do it. But currently at the moment, Shogun, I have 3,399 shares, currently valued at $78,092. It looks like my total gain for basically, well, my total loss for today so far is $186.90. But total overall gain, that is $6,156.61. And that is from accumulating over time for the span of about 4, almost 5 years now. So that's my position, and that's what I've built over time, and I'm super grateful that I've been in this investment to be able to have the opportunity to park this much money away when it comes to just like a great undervalued investment. But just not only that, it's just like it's teaching me financial responsibility in my personal life, and I'm forever grateful for it. That's why, like, when I talk about people like Morantz and like just like overall how like he truly changed the way I view stuff in life, like, no, like, truthfully, like, I feel like if I never came across his channel, I feel like I wouldn't have as much like money as I have now. I feel like I wouldn't have as much drive to go to work as I have now. I don't know. And I'm sure a lot of people feel the same way. So shout out to Morantz, bro. Shout out. If he doesn't see this, which I'm sure he probably sees it because he watches every one of my streams, that shit makes me feel like my boss is watching me under pressure. Nah, I'm kidding, bro. But yeah, no, it's like I get a lot of inspiration from him, bro. So like forever grateful, man. But yeah, this is my position. Currently what it's sitting at, I'm super grateful for it. And I'm super grateful for y'all too. Like, y'all have taught me a lot of stuff about GameStop, about life, about my own life, about myself. Like, it's insane, man. And it's like years upon years, like all this like rapport that we've built with each other, and all the memories we've had on streams or even watched from other streams like Morantz's, Carter's Corner Pocket, the real ones. I like them. I don't really watch Jeremy. His videos are too long. He gives good information. Don't get me wrong. I just think them videos are too long, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. But he gives good information. And you could call me a dummy with a short attention span. It's fine. I mean, I do watch Morantz's streams and he goes for a while. I think it's the person. I think it's the person. Because it's very vanilla over there. And I'm good on that. Jeremy, no offense. I'm sorry, bro. It's just too vanilla for me, bro. I can't. Let's see. 51 said, yeah, let's go. Stock will shoot to $35. Hey, I'm looking forward to that, Hollow. Even if the stock goes down to freaking $20, man, I'm looking forward to that. Because rubbing my hands like Birdman, I'm going to take some freaking loans out and buy more GameStop. Just kidding, y'all. I'm not going to do that. Don't go crazy, okay? We love the stock, but don't go crazy like that. I'm just talking like a youngin right now. Word, never saved this much before. Yeah, same. Like literally, Swish. Like I've literally never saved that much money ever in my life. Like I feel like if I never came across Marantz's channel, I don't even think I'd have the net worth I have now. So yeah. Thanks for showing Real 8 family. Hey, I got you, Shogun. You know we legit over here, man. And I'll keep on buying and buying and buying. And you know what? I actually do want to buy another share because like that 39, the 33.99, the share count was bothering me. I just want to get it even out at 3,400. Let me check my account real quick, and then if we got the funds for it, we'll go ahead and buy another share. Screw it. Yeah, let me check real quick. Just because I want to make sure I got like the funds to it, and you know I got a whole like I'm planning a whole new chapter in my life like as we speak basically. So I gotta have some money saved up for that at least. I get it. Like I showed y'all my investment portfolio, and it has the amount that it has. But at the end of the day, I also have money set aside for my savings, and I want to make sure I have enough that's sufficient amounts to basically carry me over for the next couple of like weeks, months even, just so I could have that stability, that safety net, and not have to worry about selling a single share of GameStop. Because that is, I will go fucking 2 months without buying a share versus going 2 months with selling shares. I refuse to sell shares right now. Are you kidding me? Why would I sell at $22.97? What? Craziness. All right, I'm a little hyper right now, y'all. You know me. I'm just yapping. I gotta get my share bought, and then I could gotta go back to work soon. They're probably waiting on me down there. Let's see. We good over here? Hi, baby. Oh, someone hasn't showed up on the stream yet, but I'm about to show y'all. Hey! It's Sam, everybody. Sam says hi. Sam's like, get me off of this damn camera. I love Sam. That's a Sam. If y'all are new to the channel, he's one of the staples to this channel. Yeah. And then Ruby's over here somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and get a drink of water really quick. So I will be right back. And I'm gonna play some music real quick, actually. Oh yeah, I'm gonna play this song. If you know, you know. If you WWE guy, you know. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get water, and then we'll be chatting a little more before I go to work.
Promise strength. Ain't nobody man enough to feel the pain. And you could be next. You better give respect. Cause ain't nobody breaking this redneck. No, they don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They looking scared. No, they don't really want none. And I'm a Mack truck. Don't get run over. We some country boys working overtime for it. Kings of the South, blue collar boys do it with their hands muddy. No, they don't want none. Oh, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They looking scared. No, they don't really want none. They don't want none. Oh, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They looking scared. No, they don't really want none. Some southern boys with the promise strength. Ain't nobody man enough to feel the pain. And you could be next. You better give respect. Cause ain't nobody breaking this redneck. No, they don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, country boys working overtime for it. Kings of the South, we never had nothing. Blue collar boys do it with their hands muddy. No, they don't want none. Oh, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They looking scared. No, they don't really want none. No, they don't want none. Oh, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They looking scared. No, they don't really want none. We some southern boys with the farmer strength. Ain't nobody man enough to feel the pain. And you could be next, you better give respect. Cause ain't nobody breaking this redneck. No, they don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They looking scared, no, they don't really want none. And I'm a Mack truck, don't get run over. We some country boys working overtime for it. Kings of the South, we never had nothing. Blue collar boys do it with their hands muddy. No, they don't want none. Oh, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They don't want none. No, they don't want none. They looking scared. No, they don't really want none. They don't want
All right. Had to get me some water. Was a little thirsty. Was a little cotton mouth. Was a little dry mouth. Whatever. Back in the show, you already know, at GameStop, $22.96. Nothing crazy. We just hanging out for the time being. Let's go over to the chat and see if there's anything new. Let's see. Stock will shoot to 35. I think I read that. I do want that. I would love that. Even if we dip down after hours today, I still think we're going to eventually get to that because stocks only go up and to the right, y'all. Word. Unless if it's AMC, of course, and that shit goes down to the right. Word. Never saved this much before. Yeah, literally. I've saved so much with following Morant's rants. 100%. Thanks for showing Row 8 family. Team 51. You know it. Anyone think we're going over 100? That would be sick, honestly, if GameStop went over 100. But, you know, I think, it will get over 100 eventually. I know that. I just don't know if it would happen, like, you know, soon. Or, you know, hey, you never know. Maybe I'll say that it won't happen, so it happens. The inverse Kramer effect. But, you know, truthfully, I really don't know when this could happen. It could be next week, next month, next year, maybe in 5 years, maybe in 2. I don't know. I really don't know. Do you have the stomach for that amount of time? You got to ask yourself that question too. Are you really invested into the company for fundamentals? Or are you looking for a quick in and out? You got to ask yourself all these questions before you get into any investment. Not just GameStop, but any investment. I do hope it goes over 100 though. That would be sick, honestly. But we'll have to see what's up. Apes. No apes here. You know what? Buying another one right now with you. Hey, shout out to you buying another one. Swish LOL for real. Yeah. Yeah, we're Team 51. Shogun, yes, Team 51 over here. Apes, not really our thing, personally, because if I were to define that, I'm not going to, first of all, I'm not claiming that title. Team 51 is the title that I would claim. GameStop investor is what I would claim as a title. Retail investor is what I would claim as a title. The guy that's about to beat the shit out of short sellers in private equity, I'll take that title. Nah, actually, Morant's could have that title. But, no apes, man. Team 51. 2 hours left as well, by the way, Swish. The thing The thing I love that Morant said was, respect your money. This sticks with me now and will for the rest of my life. Yeah, you got to respect your money. 100%. Hey, what's up, Roaring Titties? Happy earnings day today, bro. Shout out to you. Thank you for being here. Yeah, happy freaking earnings. You know, we're out here chilling. If you're just tuning into the chat, have you been keeping up with my wedge that I have here for a while now? I actually adjusted it as of today. So just so y'all know, on record, that my wedge has been adjusted for Q4 of 2025 earnings. So yes, it looks like we got some strong support at on my $22.80 line. But, you know, we're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens. Super excited, honestly. I'm expecting something, a big move to happen in the future. Like, in the near future. Oh, crap. I was not keeping up with time, y'all. I have to be back in the office now. I just realized what time it was. So, thank y'all so much for being here. Like, seriously. I wish I could report the earnings today. Unfortunately, I just wanted to pop in and get y'all a little bit hyped up. You know where to go after this. Go check out Trove, bro. He's streaming right now. So go tune into Trove. I unfortunately won't be able to tune in or do anything. Might keep it on a tab open or just so I can support. But everybody, cheers. We're going to beat freaking EPS for a 7th quarter in a row. We're going to go up in price action. We're going to do all the things. And even when we go up to 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100, $200, $300, $500, $1,000, I'll probably still be buying shares. Oh, wait, I will still be buying shares because I can hold for that long period of time. Okay, I think I'm done.